Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I'd like to welcome you to our website, ReConnnectPA. This website was developed to stimulate discussions at the local level about ways to improve Pennsylvania's transportation system, including roads and bridges, rail, air and seaports, and even bike and pedestrian trails. If you're interested in improving how safely and efficiently we move people and products from place to place, this site is for you. In this short tutorial, we'll cover two things. First, we'll show you how to find out about transportation improvements that people are talking about in your community, and then we'll demonstrate how you can suggest your own improvements that would enhance safety and relieve congestion. We'll start off on the ReConnnectPA homepage. You'll see a map of Pennsylvania, which we've divided into regions. As you hover over the map, you can highlight the region where you live. Just click on the region and away you go. Here we have the region that contains Philadelphia and the suburban counties. As you scroll down, you'll see the boundaries of this region as soon as it pops up. There we go. To zoom in closer to your location, you can either click the zoom button up near the upper left-hand corner right here, or you can double-click on the map itself, which I'm going to do. So let's say I'm interested in the Conshohocken area. As I zoom in to the map, I can drag the map towards that area. Just hold it down and grab it, and it drags. Now all of these flags represent issues that people have identified they'd like to have fixed. Here's one right here on the Conshohocken curve that says horrible congestion. So let's click on that one. Now I see that someone has suggested increasing the capacity on the Schuylkill Expressway. Well, that would certainly be a major project, and I'll bet lots of people will agree it needs to be done. So I click on the plus button in the upper right-hand corner. I can get more information. Now I can see when this was reported and posted, and how many times it's been viewed, and also how many times people have voted on it. At the top of this box, there are several options. I want to focus on the vote option. Now, expanding the capacity on the Schuylkill is a big project, and I'm in favor of it, and I would certainly think it would improve safety and relieve congestion. So here it asks for my email address. But don't worry, it won't be shared with others. This is simply to provide me with updates on this particular issue as others join the discussion. If I get tired of receiving updates, I can opt out of receiving them at any time. So I'm going to click on the vote button. Now it'll give me the option if I want to post it on Facebook or Twitter. If you want to do so, you just click on one or the other. I'm going to go ahead and skip that step for now. Hit exit. Now expanding the capacity on the Schuylkill is a major project, but you'll see lots of small projects as well. Things like installing a stop sign or traffic signal, or building a turn lane, or widening a shoulder to make it a road more accessible and safe for bicycles. In the column to the left here, you'll see a list of recently reported problems in this region. If you click on any of them, you'll go to the dialog box that describes them. Again, a box will pop up, and you'll have the same options as before to get more information and to vote. So we've shown you how to check out improvements that other people have suggested, but now let's show you how to post your own suggestion. We'll start back on the ReConnnectPA homepage. So let's try another region. Now I know that there is an issue in the Harrisburg area, so I just scroll down and click on Report an Issue. Scroll back up and you can enter in the street address. I know it's approximately at 3200 Walnut Street. Click Next, and it will zoom into that area. Now, I know it's actually right here at the intersection that I want to create my own issue. So the summary is left turn needs to be addressed. And the description is that the left turn onto Progress Avenue during rush hour is very frustrating. turn lane or jug handle is needed. If I have a picture, I can upload an image. I don't at this time, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my name and my email address and click Submit. Once I click Submit, a pop-up box will appear saying that it's been reported successfully. Click OK, and now I can see my flag right there at the intersection. Now, we've just looked at two issues that are road-related. But please know that you can go to ReConnnectPA.org and also report anything that is regarding public transportation, bicycle or pedestrian issues, or whatever transportation issues are in your area. So that completes this tutorial. We hope you'll agree that ReConnnectPA makes it easy to start or participate in discussions in your community about how to make Pennsylvania's transportation system safer and more efficient. The more people who participate in these discussions, the easier it will be to demonstrate to policymakers that the residents of Pennsylvania care about our transportation system and want to see it improved.